Hello everyone! Are you all interested in how can we face swap of any image? And then apply it to your video like this? Firstly, you should find and target image to apply that face to your videos, so open Leonardo Eye and search for a realistic face like this and download it. Come to Google Collab like this from the link given in the description, and from here click on Connect. For this, you should have a powerful computer to do this process. After it has been connected, click on this play button. And from here, select Run Anyway to run the process, and it might take several minutes to complete the process. After the process has been complete, there will be an error message, and just ignore it. Don't press restart the process. And come to this Download Model section, and click on this play button to run the process. And this will take only a few seconds to be complete. From here now, you should upload your downloaded model video clip and the target image from here. And you should rename the files without spaces between them to prevent errors that might arise in the future. After the files have been uploaded, come to this deepfake section and copy-paste your file path of the target image and video. For that, click on the 3 dots and select Copy Path and paste it in the correct section like this. After that, click on the play button, and this might take a few minutes to generate. After the process has been completed, you will see and new folder appear, swapped MP4, and you can download it from there. You can generate more videos by uploading new videos and copy-pasting new video location and paste it in the correct section of target video. So let's have the final preview.